welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make like a nice spreadable butter slime with only 2 ingredients. And this is a really easy to make recipe, so it won't take that long to make. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first thing you need is some kind of Play-Doh. This Play-Doh is already nice and soft, but it's not really spreadable and like a butter slime. It's more of like a fun moldable clay. So if you want to make it like a butter slime, oh, and guys, this won't like be super stretchy, but it'll be so much softer and a little bit more stretchy, and it'll be really nice and spreadable. So yeah, and the second ingredient you'll need is water. There's like a tiny bit, there's like a water in this little cup. So yeah. So first I'm gonna get my clay, and now I'm gonna pour in some water. Try not to pour in too much all at once, or else like the clay might get super liquidy. Now I'm just going to knead. So I'm gonna knead this. And this will be a little bit messy, like the color might get on your hands, but like it'll wash off like right away. So yeah, don't worry about that. So I'm just gonna keep adding a little bit of water at a time until it gets like a really nice buttery texture. Okay, so I'm gonna add a bit more water now, but it's so much more stretchy, and it kind of like gets a little bit less crumbly when you like do this recipe. So I'm just gonna add a bit more water. Okay, that looks good enough. Now I'm just gonna knead it again. Okay, so there's a little bit of remaining water on its container. Oops, I got a little bit of the clay and water mixture on the floor. I think this is a little bit too much for now. Maybe it's not. Alright, so I think when I'm done with this amount of water, it'll be like a nice butter slime. So I'm just gonna knead this. So it's a really nice soft clay. And it's a really cool texture. Oh, and I think it got a bit softer. It's getting more spreadable. I think all you'll need is a little bit more water, and then I'll be done. I gotta try to wipe this mess off the floor. Yeah. So this is how you make the no glue butter slime, and it's really nice and cool. Oh, and if you want like a less amount of messiness, kind of, you could use lotion instead. But like if you don't have lotion and you're out of lotion or something like that, you could use water instead. I'm just gonna use water today because I don't really have any lotions right now. So I think the slime is ready, and hold on, I'm just gonna knead it a little bit more. Okay, so there's a bit of blue color on my hands that should get off as soon as I wash my hands. So yeah, okay. See, this is like a little bit. It has like a little bit of a stretch, like just a little bit of nice stretchiness for the butter slime. But like this is how like it spreads. Hold on, I'm gonna be able to show. You can like spread it on the table because it'll be less messy, but like I want to spread it on my hands just to show you guys. So see, this is how spready it should get, and the more water you add, the more softer it'll get. So yeah, that will make it really nice. I'm gonna try to like knead the butter slime on the floor, just because there's a little bit of the mess on the floor, and this isn't really that sticky anymore. So I'm just wanna clean the mess. Kind of. I'll wipe it off to make it clean up more, but yeah. So this is how you make the really nice no glue butter slime, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And next week's video will probably be a holiday special, because it's Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite holiday, and I did holiday specials for Christmas, for the 4th of July, Halloween, Thanksgiving. So please like and subscribe and comment down below what you think about this video. Bye!